19, conduct of vessels in restricted visibility. This is one that you really need to read for yourself. It is a long and complex rule and deals mostly with radar navigation and the limitations that are involved with that. Because if you're in restricted visibility, if you are using a radar, you have to be so cautious if you haven't been specifically trained in how to use a radar in anti-collision situations. So you're really, even if you're in restricted visibility, you're still relying on your eyesight. And you better have a pair of binoculars handy as well in case you see some little pinprick of light in the fog or whatever it is, so that you can actually have a good look at it. Remember, the Mark I human eyeball is always the best tool for this job. So let's talk a little bit about what the rule says. I'll summarize a couple of the points here. It says this rule applies to vessels not in sight of one another when navigating in or near a area of restricted visibility. This is the important part here though, part B. Every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed. We talked about a safe speed in the earlier rule, but this rule says at a safe speed adapted to the prevailing circumstances and conditions of restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. Okay, so adapted to the restricted visibility. So perhaps in all other circumstances of traffic density, fishing vessels, maybe 20 knots would have been a safe speed, but in restricted visibility, no way. 5 knots or some other speed that you deem to be safe.